大家好，今天我们一起来学习12个 HSK1 里面的汉字。Okay, the first character for you today is 师. 师 It used as a noun, means the teacher. 师 And here's a word 老师. 老师 is actually the teacher. 老 in Chinese means the old, the elder, but it can express your respect to the teacher. So 老师 teacher. 一、二、三、四、五、六. So 诗 have 6 strokes. The next character is 今, and it has the meaning of now, today, and the modern act. Okay, 今天 is very simple, just mean today. Okay, now let's write 今 together. 一、二、三、四. So 今 have 4 strokes. 有4画. The next character is 院, and it means the courtyard, the yard, the court, and sometimes it also means the school. Let's look at our first words today. It's 医院. 医 you have encountered so many times, right? 医 just means cure, used as a verb, or the adjective means the medical. So the courtyard that to cure others, to save others' life is exactly the hospital. 医院 And the next one, 法院法 means the law. 法 So the courtyard that with law. So 法院 means the court. And the next one, 学院 学 means study and learn, right? So the yard that for others to learn and study means the college and school. 学院 And we can also know the 医生, right? 医生 is the doctor. In hospital we have doctor. 在医院里有医生，然后在学院里 in college we have 学生。在学院里我们有学生，但是在法院里我们有法官。官 is the authority. So 法官在法院里有法官。Okay, now let's try to write 院 together. 一、二、三、四、五、六、七、八、九. So 院 have 9 strokes, and its radical is the 左耳旁 means the left ear radical. So this shape is like an ear, right? Ear radical. And it stayed in the left of this character, so it's called 左耳旁. Okay, next. The next character today is 后, and it has the meaning of wait is bad, or the visit or great. So the first word today is 时候. 时候 时 means the time. Hold 时候 means the moment, the time. And the next one, 等候 used as a verb means waiting. 等 also has the meaning of wait. 等候 wait. Okay, now let's try to write 后 together. 一、 二、三、四、五、六、七、八、九、十。So 后 have 10 strokes. 后有10画。The next character is 飞。飞 is very simple. Just means fly, fly. So 飞机 means airplane. 机 you have learned this means the machine. So the flying machine means the airplane. And the next one 飞行 flying. Okay, let's try to write 飞。一、二、三。So 飞 only have 3 strokes. 飞。And the next character is 昨。昨。And it just means the yesterday. So 昨天 is actually yesterday. And we have learned a lot of the day expressions. So 今天 is today, and 明天 is tomorrow. Okay, now let's try to write 昨。一、二、三、四、五、六、七、八、九。So 昨 have 9 strokes. 有9画。The next one is 七。And it means a period of time or the date or the time limit. Okay, the first one 日期means the date. It's a noun 日期. And 星期means a week. Here 期限means the time limit. 限 has the meaning of the limit. 期 you have the time, right? 期 and the limit. So together means the time limit. 期限. Okay, now let's try to write 七。一、二、三、四、五、六、七、八、九、十、11、12。So 七 have 12 strokes. 有12画。The next one is 书 it means the book. So when we say a book, you should use a measure word here, 本 一本书 and sometimes 书本 also means the book. It's a word means the book. And 课本 you may know that 课本 means the textbook. 课 means the class, the lecture. So the lecture's book is exactly the textbook. 一、二、三、四。So 书 have 4 strokes. 有4画。And the next one is 听 and it has the meaning of hear or listen, and the second meaning is obey. And the first one 听音乐means the music. So 听音乐 means listen to music. And the second usage is 听话 or 听妈妈的话 means listen to the mom's word, means you obey the mom's word. 孩子 means the kid. So kids obey mom's words. 孩子听妈妈的话. And you can just simply say 听话 means please obey my words. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7。So 听 have 7 strokes. 有7画。The next is 住 you can use as a verb, means you live or stay or dwell someplace. And the first one, 住处, 处 has the meaning of the place. So the place that you live is the accommodation. 住处. And the next, 他住在北京.住 here means live. 在 means in. 在 has the meaning of in Beijing. He lives in Beijing. Now let's try to write 住. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 住 have 7 strokes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And the next one is 北, means the north, northern. So 北方, 方 means the direction. So the north direction is exactly the north, 北方. Okay, now let's try to write 北. 1 2 3 4 5. So 北 have 5 strokes, 有5画. And the last one today is 叫. Actually, it has two pronunciation. The first pronounce is 叫 and the next is 觉. When you pronounce different, it has different meanings. So when you pronounce 叫, it means sleep. Here is a sentence, a word, 睡觉 means sleep. It's a verb, 睡觉. And the next, 觉, when you pronounce 觉, it means think, perceive, or conscious. So 觉得 means think. It's a verb, 觉得. The here just a suffix after a verb. So to indicate this verb. So 觉得. And we also have a suffix that pronounced very similar. It's the, but the is the suffix after an adjective. So 好的 means good or fine, something like that. So it's a adjective plus the. Okay, now let's try to write this character 觉睡觉 and 觉得 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 觉 have 9 strokes, and it can divide it in two parts. The first part, the top one and the bottom one. The top one is this one, and the bottom one is 看见的见. So 觉得. Okay, that's all of today's 12 character. I hope that I have explained everything very clearly. Hope that you can enjoy this video and see you next video. Bye bye.